Welcome, brainers! Recently, many users have experienced issues with the YouTube app on their iPhones or iPads. Especially after ads play, the videos often appear minimized in the corner, or fail to display in true full-screen mode. If you want to address these issues, then you have come to the right place. Let's jump straight into it. First, it's important to understand that there's a bug in the YouTube app, so even if you fix it, many users find that the issue returns after a few weeks or months. With that said, we will first cover a workaround to help you manage the issue. Following that, we will discuss some solutions that could potentially fix the issue. Whenever you notice your video minimized, simply rotate your phone to a vertical position and then back to horizontal. This should immediately restore your video. For this to work, make sure orientation lock is turned off on your phone. You can double-check this setting by swiping down from the top right corner. Another setting you can enable is zoom to fill screen. To enable this, go to your profile icon on the YouTube app, then Settings, then Playback. Over here, you'll find the option to enable zoom to fill screen. Turn it on if it's not already enabled. Now that we know the quick workaround, let's talk about potential fixes for this issue. Solution 1: close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Find the YouTube app and swipe up to close it. Then, reopen the app to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2: restart your device. Press and hold the power button along with the volume up button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once it's off, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Solution 3: uninstall and reinstall YouTube. Press and hold the YouTube app icon on your home screen until you get this menu. Select Remove App, then confirm the app deletion. Now, go to the App Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall it. After these fixes, I no longer encounter the issue I was facing earlier. However, as you can see, YouTube releases updates frequently, and this bug might reappear with each update. So, always remember the handy workaround we mentioned earlier: rotate your phone to a vertical position and then back to horizontal. This should quickly restore your video to its normal state. And when you have some time, try the other solutions we discussed. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button to see our videos at the top of your search results. Thanks for watching.